In recent decades, alternative energy systems have become more visible in residential environments. Solar panels, portable generators, and battery storage systems represent some of the most common approaches. These systems typically involve hardware installation, cost planning, and varying degrees of maintenance. Alongside these established solutions, there exists a category of instructional materials that propose small-scale, self-assembled devices. These materials are often distributed digitally and focus on guiding individuals through the process of building functional equipment using widely available components. The product examined here belongs to that category. The Energy Revolution system is a digital package that provides instructional documentation for assembling a small-scale electrical device. The core of the system is based on a bifilar coil configuration, originally referenced in historical electrical patents. The package includes multiple types of materials. These typically consist of illustrated blueprints, written manuals, parts lists, and step-by-step assembly instructions. The documentation outlines how individual components are arranged and connected to form a working unit. The product itself does not include physical parts. Instead, it serves as a guide for users to independently acquire materials and construct the device. The structure of the content suggests a modular approach, allowing users to build a smaller version initially and expand it depending on available components. The usage process begins after acquiring access to the digital files. Users first review the documentation, which is designed to be read in approximately 1 hour. Following this, the user gathers the required components. These are described as standard electronic parts that can be sourced from hardware or electronics stores. The next phase involves manual assembly. The instructions outline how to arrange coils, connect wires, and configure the system according to the provided schematics. This process is estimated to take up to 4 hours, depending on the user's familiarity with basic tools. Once assembled, the device is positioned in a fixed location and connected to an electrical setup. The documentation suggests that the system can operate continuously after installation, with minimal interaction required. Maintenance, if any, is described as periodic inspection rather than continuous adjustment. This type of product aligns with individuals who are comfortable following technical instructions and handling basic assembly tasks. It is also relevant to those interested in experimental or alternative approaches to small-scale energy systems. Because the product requires manual construction, it assumes a level of user involvement beyond passive consumption. Users must be willing to source materials, interpret diagrams, and physically assemble components. It may also appeal to those who prefer standalone systems that do not rely on subscription services or integrated software platforms. Compared to conventional energy solutions such as solar panel installations or fuel-based generators, this product operates in a different category. It does not provide a ready-to-use device but instead offers instructions for creating one. Traditional systems typically involve certified equipment, professional installation, and regulatory considerations. In contrast, this system is based on independent assembly using general-purpose parts. The level of standardization differs significantly. Commercial systems are manufactured with predefined specifications, while this approach depends on user execution and interpretation of instructions. In summary, the Energy Revolution system functions as a documentation-based product rather than a physical energy solution. Its primary role is to guide the construction of a device, rather than to directly supply one. For those interested in examining the original instructional material, a reference link is available in the description.